study. They have this piece of fruit. I'm not sure what it is because I have found it years before, but probably we understand when we go into. The tricky thing on this root is how we can catch it on a lathe. Probably I could cut this place and then I do the hollow from here. That will be an interesting. So let's put it on lathe and see what we can do. I think we can start. Don't forget your helmet. I cut a bit on the band show. The thing is that we have catch it only with few bolts and it's a bit dangerous. Don't try this at home. Looks a bit like oak root, but I'm not sure. This part is a bit rotten, but I think if I do a good sanding it will be lovely. Another thing that I need to think about is how to catch, because I have too many cracks and an empty space inside here. Will be a funny day. Now all those things here is not secure, so I put some star bond to make them a bit harder than it is. Now we wait to dry. So what we have done until now, we have sanding well until 400 grit, and then I put some glue with sawdust to make a bit stronger the cuts for the turner. And now I do it again with a parting tool, make it straight so I can cut it, and then we turn it around and see what comes, see what can happen. What is the problem now? I like it as is it, and I don't know. I like the style of the burl here, but this doesn't matter. Let's try to turn it. Perfect. Excellent. The good thing is that I have shavings all over, so it not hurts when it go down. But we need to do something if we like to finish this one. It looks like we can work like that. I need a bit of sharpening. So we need to take some decisions, because this side is much bigger than the other side. Is probably the bowl will be thrown down, and we don't like that. For this reason, I will let a bit more wood here. Not only for that, also because down from here is all empty and probably will be very dangerous and will be break. I finish the bowl somewhere here, but we have time we do it slowly and we will see. As I told you, all empty here. Here we have a happy little rock. We need one. Now we need to take off this middle part, and we have 1000 hours of sanding by hand for the rest. Now we will start the lovely handwork. I'd like to tell you just a tip. A very important thing is when you use those sandpapers to make always a move, because if you are keep it straight, it will be straight in the wood, and we don't like to be straight inside because we have curve all over. If we lose this, then the shape is very awkward and not beautiful. I don't like it when it happens. So we need to do all the time move. At the moment I am in 600 grit and I go up. We need to clean very well the dust. And now we use the Odie soil only in the place that is wood carving, not to the natural edge. When you use the Odie soil, you don't need a huge amount, just a bit. So, so finally, I finished it. It was a great opportunity to work with something like this. Have long time to find the time. I really enjoyed it. I also like that I have this addition, the little rock at this place. You will see it better on the photos. I hope you find interesting the techniques that you're hollowing without working the lathe with some tools. And if you try something like that, be careful and don't hurry. It's something that needs a lot of time, but in the end, it's something beautiful. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. And I hope to see you again on my next video. Until then, take care.